Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Tech It Simple. Today's video is about how to create a Facebook account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to never miss a video from us. The first thing you need to do is open a browser of your choice. I'm going to be using Microsoft Edge. In the URL, type in www.facebook.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now the official website of Facebook has opened. Now press on the create new account button. Now you need to fill all the necessary information. First, type in your name. Along with your last name. Also type in your email ID or your mobile number. You need to reconfirm your email. Now you need to create a strong password. It must include numbers, symbols, and uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Now fill in all the information needed. After you fill in all the information, press sign up. That is how you can easily sign up for a Facebook account. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back with more content like this. Thank you for watching.